Hey y'all, how you doing? It's me, Geraldine, the Entrepreneur Guide, and today I'm going to go over how to hire the right people for your business. I've been in business for over 16 years now, working with teams, and have attracted a lot of talent that still work with me to this day. So here's what I do. Not everyone's a great fit. And how do you figure out who that is? The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you know what you want. It's very easy for you to say, I need someone to do bookkeeping or to handle my social media or to do the task-oriented things. But you should also define their personality, their work ethic. So you're creating three lists here. These three lists are what are the types of tasks that they are expected to do in the duration of their work with you? Two, what's their personality type or vibe like? Are they people who are sociable, introverted, and very detail oriented? Define all those things based on what would fit for your company culture. Third, what is their work ethic like? What is their communication style? All of these things related to work communication and correspondence is really important as well. And I know this sounds very simple and very obvious. You should write down things like, the person follows my instructions. They ask questions when they're unclear of what they've been told to do. Even though these things sound really simple, it's very important for you to define so you can attract the right person. You need to have a very clear picture in your mind about who will work best for your company. There's a few different ways you can do this. You can use online websites, find someone by word of mouth by putting out word to your community that you're looking for someone, or simply by defining the need. Sometimes the person shows up just because you've thought about it. That's happened to us several times over the years. Once you've done this, then it's time to go on to the interview process. Once you interview the person, instead of going off your feelings about their vibe or how they answered your questions in the interview, if you think that they have potential, it's important for you to set up a trial period that they would work for you. There's a couple different ways you could do this. For some people, they set up a 1 to 3 month trial because there's a lot of onboarding and things that they need to learn specific to your company before they actually start doing things. Or what I like to do is set up a trial project. So I create a small project, and this might be one that's actually existing with one of my clients. And I think about what are all the skills that are needed to complete this task. And I try to match it with that person that I'm looking to fill this position. Once I have that project in place, I'll let them know, hey, I think you could potentially be a great fit for our company. And would you be open to doing a paid trial project before we decide to hire you? What this does is it gives both of you the opportunity to see whether it's a fit and also see if there's any gaps between their skill set and what you need. Make sure that this trial project has very specific parameters. Let them know what it is, the goal, high-level instructions on how to complete the task. Let them know how much flexibility they have to go outside of the approach that you've given them to complete it, and let them know by when you need the deliverable. Once you review the deliverable, take a look at all of their work, think about the communication they had with you in the duration of time that they were working on this, and go from there. If they seem to deliver something that's aligned with what you need, then go ahead and hire them. If they didn't, and you think there might be some potential for working together with a few different tweaks and improvement, then perhaps give them the feedback and see whether or not they'd like to keep trying for a short period of time. But this is the portion where you need to really rely on your intuition and your expert eye for knowing what you need for your business. So once you have those two things put together, you'll have a much better chance at hiring people that are the right fit for your company. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'd also like to know if this video was helpful for you. This is Geraldine, the Entrepreneur Guide, and I look forward to making another video for you in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.